Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the White-Fulks. This week I have some products that I think that you will find very, very helpful. We're gonna talk all about some spring foundations, some of my top spring foundations for 2019. And these really haven't changed for me over the last few years. These are staples. I use powder, but these are my liquid foundations that are so lightweight and just easy. I can put them on with my fingers. I don't necessarily need a brush because they're so lightweight. They're waterproof, weightless. Let's jump right on into those items that I think should be staples in your makeup kit as well. First one, you can never go wrong with a tinted moisturizer, especially in the spring and summer months, because while you're sweating, while you are active, while you are out there in the sun, this will not melt off of your face. It's as light as a lotion. You just put it on, it just adds just a little bit of color to your skin. It evens out that skin tone while providing just a flawless base without being cakey, heavy, or anything like that. And you can actually mix this in with your lotion if you need a heavier layer of moisture for you. So this one is my absolute favorite. This is the Bobbi Brown Tinted Moisturizer. It has SPF 15. I've had this for a while, so I actually think that she has changed the packaging, but still perfect in what it's supposed to do. So this one again has SPF 15. The new one might actually have a greater level of SPF, which is good because if you're out there in the sun, or even if you're just driving in the car, you need a heavy amount of SPF to prevent skin cancer or tanning or anything like that. So this one is dermatologist tested. It's perfect for my skin tone. This one is in the color medium to dark tint. But again, go ahead and get you a sample. Mine is actually gross at this point, but go and get yourself a sample. I'm gonna show you just how lightweight it is. It is so lightweight. It just comes out and it doesn't even look like there's anything on my skin. It's just very light. And there's where I blended it in with my fingers. But again, it's just like a lotion, just with a little bit of color. So that one is absolutely perfect. Go get color matched. If you want to try it out, they will give you samples for it, especially at Sephora. That's my first one. Again, this is the Bobbi Brown SPF 15 Tinted Moisturizer. The second one, you're gonna see kind of a trend or a pattern here. I love Bobbi Brown for light, natural coverage. So this next one is the Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum. This one also has an SPF, but this SPF is an SPF of 40. This one is, I think this one is actually lighter coverage-wise than the moisturizer, but I could be totally wrong. But they market this as a foundation. But this is the serum. It actually has lychee, bamboo grass, and cordyceps extract. So with it being a serum and with it being light, it also has skincare qualities in there that will just help your skin with as far as aging, counter correction, things like that. This is perfect for treating, whereas a regular foundation, it kind of won't do that, but this has good quality products in it. And again, do you see how light that was for me to just rub in with my fingers? And it's so lightweight. Another lightweight product. And it has healthcare benefits, which a lot of her products do, so that's why I highly recommend Bobbi Brown. This one I am in the color Honey, number 5. And you probably will not be able to see that because it is so small. Packaging, let me just talk about Bobbi Brown's packaging. Her packaging is so sleek, cool, trendy. Just these are things that you want to showcase on your bathroom sink or in your beauty room because it's just absolutely gorgeous. And this one comes with a dropper, and look at that, it looks medicinal, but that's because there are medicinal properties in this serum, aka foundation. But very lightweight. Again, another one that is perfect to be out in the sun with, because when you go to sweat, it will not sweat off of your face. It's water-based, as well as this one. Another Bobbi Brown product. This one is the Skin Longwear Weightless foundation, again with an SPF of 15. Another product perfect for spring, perfect for summer, because you will be out in the sun and the sun rays are highest during those times of the year. This one is not a serum, but it does provide full cover and oil-free shine control. I love this product right here. I actually love it all year round because it's light, but it's still long wearing. It's perfect. And with the SPF, you just can't go wrong with anything that has SPF. And I do want to mention with all of these that have SPF, there is no flashback. If you're a person that does photography or flash photography or is out in the sun doing photography, you will love these products because there is no flashback with the SPF being in it. I know a lot of foundations that do have SPF in it, for some reason it produces a flashback in photos when you go to shoot the film and it flashes, there's like a white cast over your face. I don't know why those foundations do that, but these do not. So go and check them out, get your samples. Sephora gladly gives samples and see if they work for you. Jumping off of the bandwagon of Bobbi Brown, this one is MAC. I love MAC. Also, I love their lipstick. I've shown you in another video that I love the powder foundation here, the Studio Fix. I'm not a fan of the Studio Fix liquid, but the powder I am a fan of. This one is the MAC Studio Water Weight SPF. There's a trend here. SPF 30 foundation, broad spectrum SPF 30. This is another awesome foundation for spring and the summer because, again, if you're that person that is out in the sun, you need that SPF coverage. And these foundations that I am recommending have that SPF coverage. This one is also waterproof because it does say water weight. This one is waterproof along with that SPF 30. So if you're gonna go to the pool, to the beach, drop this one in your bag, touch up as you go throughout the day, because this one will not look like you have, none of them look like you have foundation on. They're lightweight, but it still provides that perfect flawless base without looking cakey or heavy or anything like that. Here's another one that has that cool and awesome dropper, and another that is just so lightweight that you can just rub it in with your fingers. These are some beautiful foundations. I'm telling you, if you want some lightweight coverage and some foundations perfect for the summer, all of these that I'm recommending are really top of the line, perfect quality, good products, reasonably cheap cost-wise. Of course, the MAC will be a little bit cheaper than the Bobbi Brown, but they will all last you a very, very long time. If you needed to get one, I would recommend the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Foundation because this will transition into any season. So if I had to recommend one for you to pick, it would be this one. If you're an older woman with aging skin, which, let's face it, I'm getting up there, my skin is starting to age. I do recommend the Intensive Skin Serum because it provides all of those holistic qualities that your skin needs while we go through that aging process. Hope these were all super helpful. I will list all of these in the description box below. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that you are finding all the products within these series helpful. And if you have any questions, comments, or recommendations and any videos you would like to see, shoot me down in the comments below and I will see what I can do as far as getting those up as soon as possible. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining, hanging with the White-Fulks again this week. Ciao, y'all. Bye.